In this lesson, we're going to talk about a very important topic. Look, here we have something quite interesting. It's called a temporary reservation. So what exactly does this particular feature do and how does it function? Its job is that, for example, I, as a customer, come here and select a seat, and if you notice, its color changes to yellow, which basically means it's temporarily reserved. I carefully select a specific seat and then proceed to add it to my shopping cart. Once it's securely placed in the cart, no other potential customer can select or reserve that particular seat anymore. If I were to open this in an incognito browsing mode, you would clearly see that another customer is absolutely unable to purchase this very same seat. So why isn't it clickable? The ones next to it are clickable, but this one isn't anymore. Until when? Until the time you've specified. How do you specify that? You come here to seating. Here, there's a time setting. You can set it for less or for more, as much as you want. Here we've also provided some guidance for you. We've written here what the story is about. So here it takes 5 minutes for this seat to become available for someone else. Now, sometimes you might notice that some of your seats get reserved like this without anyone actually buying them. I mean, there's a chance of mischief, or, someone hasn't really bought them, but someone just comes and selects all of them and keeps reserving them for no reason. So now, if we go back, you'll see that these seats are no longer available for purchase. The seats get filled up and go into a temporary reservation state. If you've set the reservation time too high here, like half an hour, which is actually a mistake to set it that long. If you've set the time too high, it'll take a long time for the seats to become available for reservation again. So what should you do? You go into this event. What's the name of this event? The event is called test. So you enter this event, and what you do is, I edit this event. This page opens up for me. When this page opens, we've added a section here for you where you can reset it. You can release all those seats that are in temporary reservation mode. So now, if I click this button, you see that it says it will release all the seats for me and I can make a purchase again. It's that simple. This was a very important point that we definitely needed to talk about.